I am one of the organizer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm sort of initiator of this workshop. I established this project, the mapping the Silk Road project, 2 years ago. And then every year we have this kind of workshop. Is to have a map of Silk Road which is free from any kinds of bias, like a political bias or religious bias or racial bias or cultural biases. So the countries beyond Rome were not included in that kind of Silk Road map. Nowadays we are living in an age of reason, right? So we should include all countries, all cultures, all people, all cities and villages should be included in our universal map. That is our eventual goal of this project.